It doesn't matter how tired you are, the show still must go on.
Can you tell we've got a project going on? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sydney and I are currently sitting in traffic. We are on our way to our friend's house today, gonna have a play date. It's been, I think, a couple of weeks since we've seen them, and Sydney misses Harper so much, and us mamas need some mama time. We're gonna go get some coffee. Today is the epitome of a fall day.
Coffee. I want to go have a house.
Mama needs coffee. It says 67 degrees out, but at my house it was like 65. Crisp, but the sun is out. The mood is great. But today's gonna be a day in the life vlog, so give it a thumbs up if you guys like day in the life vlogs, which I know that you do because you always ask for them. And what else? What else? My house is hopefully gonna be put back together in a couple of days. I've got paint going on and some things. It's just so exciting and it's so hard. I know I'm saying this in every vlog until you guys see the reveal, but it's so hard not to just share everything with you as I go. But I want to just do the big reveal. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. It's kind of more fun that way. And then we are only like 3 more weeks until Momtober. So many exciting things happening. This morning I went and found some bedding for Sydney's big girl bed and put a bed in my cart. I have not checked out yet, but yeah, there are just so many things, exciting things going on my channel. So I hope you guys are subscribed. If this is your first video you're watching of me, please subscribe. I would love it if you guys would just join our family here on YouTube. We are a motherhood and lifestyle channel. We do at least 3 videos a week, and Momtober's coming up, which is I do a video every single day for the month of October. We are moving now, so I'm going to quit talking, grab coffees, and we'll meet you at my friend's house.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. My friend got a pumpkin latte and she said that it was really good. She got one yesterday. Now I'm second guessing the size that I got her. I think she always orders a small and I got her a medium, so hopefully it still tastes good. Oh, why'd I do that?
I'll walk across the room just to show you that I'm still around.
Are you excited?
If you wanna meet somewhere later when the sun goes
Who's coming? So I think I messed up your coffee. I got you a medium.
Oh, that's fine.
Does it mess with the flavor?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
I got a medium yesterday.
Okay.
Oh, you know I'm serious. I'm serious. I will keep you all to myself. Oh, you're so mysterious. Mysterious. I can't keep my hands to myself. I'll walk across the room, show you I'm around. Ask if you wanna be when the sun
Oh, no, I do.
goes down. 'Cause you're the only one who can get me. So
You're so smart.
so high.
And she's making some cake pops. Girls are playing together so well right now. It's so cute.
Take care of them. We take care. And for a while. We're at your home. For a while, Sydney and we are at your home. And wow!
And then us moms are gonna have some flatbreads lunch soon.
Forgot that feeling. The sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime. Soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just
You have egg on. Anthony has a blankie. You guys are gonna snuggle together. was awake, I got to go wake him up. It was so cute.
Yeah.
Aww, he says yeah. Movie lasted 30 seconds. It's still on, but they're not watching it. And this is so good. With her homegrown basil and tomatoes. I love that they're actually playing together well. Oh my gosh, how cute!
Create that feeling. The sun on your skin, as great as breathing. Filling the spaces within. Running around, are we there yet? Music is not where we all met.
What do you have? You have cake pops?
We have cake pop was accident. We have cake pop.
See?
Is that silly? Can you see your eyes?
Where are your eyes? Oh,
Nice.
where's Ozzy's eyes?
I guess we did.
Yeah. Back to my house and reality of the disaster that I left it in. Can't wait till things get done. I am heating up pizza for leftovers. I have a sink full of dishes. We had pizza last night because I was very busy and wasn't able to cook dinner. So we're just having leftovers tonight. And my friend was doing practice rounds of cake pops for an event that she is doing. So she sent me home with 4 huge golf ball sized cake pops. I'm gonna put these in the fridge and we'll probably, Sydney and I will share one after dinner because let's face it, I want one really bad. So we're gonna have dinner first, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna see.
Also, I'm keeping my refrigerator nice and organized. I have to go. Yeah, I have to go grocery shopping soon, but my plan is to keep it organized as best as I can. And after dinner, I'm gonna tackle these dishes. That's crazy. Let Sydney kind of chill and unwind. She was ready to fall asleep in the car on the way home, so I had to keep her awake. And we're gonna pick up the living room a little bit. Oh my word, I don't know how I'm gonna stay awake. Time to share a cake pop, not that we need it, either one of us. And then we're gonna clean.
Oh, no,
This is crazy. We're gonna share it. That was a really big bite.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say. I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
It doesn't matter as a mom. I mean, Mickey Mouse is going on behind you. Hopefully you can hear me, but it doesn't matter as a mom. It doesn't matter how tired you are. The show still must go on. It's one of those things. You come home, you're tired, but there's chores to do, and if you don't do those chores, you're probably gonna feel more anxious and awful because you're tripping over toys and have no clean dishes and spilling water all over the floor like I did this morning because my sink was full. How many times can I complain and say I'm so tired, huh? Sorry.
What you did was meaningless. What's the point of your coldness? I cannot sleep with your eyes on me, they burning. So that you know me in and out. Need you to push back all those sprouts of insecurity.
Oh yeah, this feels good. We did go to Harper's house, huh? I still have a little bit of laundry to fold, but it's mostly like my stuff and whatnot. So yeah, after I put Sydney to bed, I think I'm going to take a bath. I really need to chill. And cause tomorrow I'm back to work on the house. Things just get cluttered so fast, especially if you don't take care of it, because I was busy for a couple of days and then just, you know, like, oh my goodness, things just pile up so fast. It's unbelievable. So, all right, you guys, I'm gonna end today's vlog here. I'll probably be putting her to bed in, yeah, we're gonna be putting her to bed in like 10 minutes.
Need you to push back.